Good morning. Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed a 10th problem. Now we will see remaining 11th one. A certain location in Africa, compass points 12 degrees west of the geographic north. The north tip of the magnetic needle of a tip circle placed in the place of the magnetic meridian points 60 degree above the horizontal. The horizontal component of Earth's field is measured to be 0.16 Gauss. Specify the direction and magnitude of the Earth field at that location. Okay, don't worry about this. At a certain location in Africa, compass points 12 degree west of the geographic north. East to west to north to south. Compass 12 degree west of the geographic north. So like this. If you take this as a compass, this side, west of north they mentioned. So west side 12 degree north. This, don't worry about this angle, that will not affect. This is nothing but what? Declination. That is. And the given dip angle they given. What is the dip angle? 60 degree above the horizontal. So alpha is equal to 60 degree. Now horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field BH given. BH is equal to 0.16 Gauss. And they are asking B value or BE. You take so first write down what is the BH formula. BH is equal to B cos alpha. B is equal to what? BH by B cos alpha. So substitute the values. BH is 0.16 Gauss by, if answer is Gauss, no problem. If answer is decimal, we will convert. Cos 60. So this is 0.16 by 1 by 2. 2 comes up. 0.16 into 2. This is 0.32 Gauss. Okay. Specify the direction and magnitude of the Earth field at that location. Already direction they given, everything they mentioned. Now let me see this answer. 5.11 problem. What did they give? Yeah, 0.32 Gauss they given. Earth lies in the vertical plane 12 degrees west of the magnetic, making an angle 60 degree with the horizontal, and magnitude 0.32. The magnitude is 60 degree, direction is 60 degree only, but magnitude of Earth magnetic field is 0.32. Same, this 12 degree is not changed. Next, 12th problem. Next one is 12th one. A short bar magnet has a magnetic moment 0.48 Joule per Tesla. Give the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field produced by the magnet at a distance 10 cm from the center of the magnet. The axis, the equatorial line. Okay. Now this is 12th problem. Short bar magnet has a magnetic moment, capital M. For bar magnet, we will take capital M, magnetic moment. Remaining all the cases, we will take small m. For a current loop, circular coil, suppose it carries a current. For that magnetic moment, we will take small m. Just remember, okay? Don't confuse here. For bar magnet, we will use capital M. Or this is our convention only. If you want to take small m, no problem. Okay, small m 0.48 joules per Tesla. Give the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field produced by the bar magnet at a distance. D is equal to or R is equal to 10 centimeter. Convert this into meters. 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. They are asking magnetic field on the axis and equatorial line. B axial line question mark. B equatorial line question mark. So B axial line formula is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube. Okay, substitute the values. 4 pi into 10 power minus 2 into 2 into 0.48 by 4 pi into 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole cube. 4 by 4 pi cancel. 10 power minus 2 into 2 into 0.48 by 1000 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This will be minus 3. Minus 3 comes up. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7, not minus 2. This is minus 7. Minus 7 into 2 into 0.48. 10 power minus 3 comes up. It is plus. And 2 into 48 or 0.48, it is 96. 2 decimals is 0.96 into 10 power minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 decimal. Next, equatorial line. What is the formula? 4 mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. Clear? So, what do you get? This is 2m, this is m. We will get half of this, 48. Clear? I mean 0.48. Okay, we will do this calculation. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 4 pi into 0.48. 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole. So 4 pi cancel. And this is 0.48 into 10 power minus 7. Same calculation. 1000, 10 power minus 6, we will get 10 power by 1000 into 10 power minus 6. This will be 0.48 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 3. So this is 0.48 into 10 power minus 4. Yes, sir. Clear? So let me check these two answers. They ask the direction. Okay? On equatorial line it acts from north to south, and it is question number 12. Yeah, 0.96 and 0.48. For B, direction is north to south, A, south to north. Like this, we take the magnet, this is north to south. This is the point, axial line. Okay? This is equatorial line. North to south. Here field will act like this. Equatorial line north to south. This line south to north. Clear? Now next we will see another problem. 13th problem. A sharp bar magnet placed in a horizontal plane has its axis aligned along the magnetic north-south direction. A sharp bar magnet placed in the horizontal plane has its axis aligned along the magnetic north-south direction. Null points are found on the axis of the magnet at 14 centimeter from the center of the magnet. The earth magnetic field at that place is 0.36 and the angle of dip 0. What is the total magnetic field on the normal bisector of the magnet at the same distance as the null point, that is 14 centimeters from the center of the magnet? Null point means field due to magnet is equal and opposite to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Important model question. 13. Okay. So bar magnet placed like this, north, south. It lies like this. According to question, sharp bar magnet placed horizontal plane has its axis aligned along the magnetic north-south direction. A bar magnet placed in a horizontal plane has its axis aligned along the magnetic north-south direction. Null points are found on the axis of the bar magnet. Clear? Now, see, to understand this problem, if you take the earth, this is geographic NG, this is N SD, and this is what? NM, and this is SM. Clear? When magnet is suspended, what happened? It shows like this, right? N and S. Clear? So, this field line, magnetic field line, will act in this direction. Suppose, and this, if you draw this like this, north, south, this will act in this direction. This is BH and this is B. Both are in opposite in direction. Clear? So BH acts in this direction. This is earth magnetic field. This is magnetic field due to bar magnet. Am I correct or not? It acts like this. Okay. Now both are in opposite in direction at certain distance. This is the center of the magnet. At this, let us say this point. Let us say point X. There where BH is equal to B. Both are acting in opposite direction. At X distance, both magnitudes are equal. Then what happened? Net field will be B net is equal to 0. Clear? Now, this is the given situation. What is this distance? Let us say R. Point is X. Distance is R. Distance given as 14 centimeter. 14 into 10 power minus 2 meter. This is the given data. What they are asking, what is the total magnetic field on the normal bisector of the magnet at the same distance? See, same another line. This is what this represents what? Okay, keep it the magnet same as it is. This is north and south. Normal bisector means this is the normal bisector. at this point, same distance in the sense r is equal to 14 into 10 power minus 2 meter. At this point, they are asking what is B net. At this point, field lines due to magnet will act like this. So this is the B, magnetic field due to magnet, and earth magnetic field is acting downwards only. So this is BH. So BH also acting downwards. The net field is what? B is equal to B net is equal to B plus BH. Clear? Understand? Now, already what did they give? Magnetic field at a place. BH value is 0.36 G given. BH value. What is BH value? BH is equal to 0.36 G given. Then we need to find B. Yeah, we have to find B. Very simple. From first information, R is equal to 14 into 10 power minus 2. B value is equal to BH. Clear? So B is equal to 0.36 G. This is on axial line. Right? This is on equatorial line. What is the relation between equatorial line and axial line? If you see the equations, you will come to know. B axial line is mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r. B equatorial mu naught by 4 pi m by r. How do we relate these two? B axial is equal to 2 into B. Am I correct or not? Clear? Or B is equal to, how do we write? BA by 2. So now on normal bisector, distance remains same. Here R is remains same. When R is same, this relation is valid. Clear? So now B net is equal to, where we are calculating normal bisector, on normal bisector. BE is what? B axial by 2 plus BH. What is BA? 0.36 by 2 plus BH also same, 0.36. So this is 0.18 plus 0.36. This will be 0.54 gas. Let me check this one. (0.54) in the direction of earth field. The net field also acting in the direction of earth magnetic field. Clear? This is one method. Next method is you can find the magnetic moment and follow the same. But that is a lengthy process. This will solve in simple. Okay. Next 14th question. 14th question. In a bar magnet in the question 13 turned by 180 degree, where will be new null point B located? Same question. They are asking only where will be the null point located. What did they do in this question? Just magnet turned by 180 degree. What will happen? We will see now. If it is turned. This is what BH direction. Am I correct? Next, 90 degree turn. This is north and this is 180 degree turn. Completely reversed. Clear? So, BH acting in the direction, B acts in this direction. Because this is magnet due to magnet field due to magnet at downward direction, right? So on the axial point, on the axis of the magnet, the null point is not possible. If you draw a line on the normal bisector, this field line acts like this. Am I correct or not? Like this. So this is B. Here BH acting downward. So we do expect null point on normal bisector of the magnet. Here on equatorial line, normal bisector nothing but equatorial line. Here also equatorial line. Here also equatorial line. Next, last problem. 15th. A short bar magnet of magnetic moment 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 joules per Tesla is placed with its axis perpendicular to Earth's field direction. At what distance from the center of the magnet the resultant field inclined 45 degree with the Earth's field on its normal bisector? Its axis magnitude of Earth field in the place is given by 0.42 Gauss. Ignore the length of the magnet in comparison to the distance inward. This is also important model question. Clear? Okay, 15th problem. A short bar magnet of magnetic moment M is equal to 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 joules per Tesla is placed with its axis perpendicular to the Earth's field direction. So already in the previous problem we taken Earth's field direction downwards. BH. It's placed with its axis perpendicular. This is the bar magnet. Okay, south, north. This is its axis. Okay. At a distance from the center of the magnet, the resultant field is inclined at 45 degree with the Earth's field. Its normal bisector and its axis. Magnitude of the Earth magnetic field in a given is 0.42 G and magnet compared to what they are asking at what distance from the center of the magnet. Okay, they are asking distances where the net magnetic field direction, net magnetic field inclined 45 degree with the normal bisector and with the axis. Okay, now take BH value. BH value is given. BH is equal to 0.42 Gauss. 0.42 Gauss. So we already discussed if two vectors are equal in magnitude, if they act perpendicular, two vectors equal in magnitude and acting perpendicular, then the resultant lies between, this is let us say A, this is B, this is resultant. If A is equal to B, if theta is equal to 90, then what happened? Resultant equal vectors 90 degree, then resultant will act 45 degree to each vector, either A or B. What does it mean? To have a 45 degree resultant vector with any one vector, two vectors must have equal magnitude and they act perpendicular to each other. So same situation. Here already BH is given. Here which vectors are acting? BH and B. Clear? So first on we will try to find the normal bisector. Normal bisector. Normal bisector means that this is the earth magnetic field direction. This axis, along this axis BH is acting. This axis is nothing but normal bisector of the bar magnet. So this field will act at this point. Let us say at certain point, field act in this direction. This is B direction. This is BH direction. Then what happened? This resultant will be this one. This is B, which acts 45 degree. Clear? You take anywhere here 45 degree, or this angle also 45 degree. So this distance we need to find. So what happened? To have a 45 degree B equal to BH. To have 45 degree resultant vector, to make 45 degree, B and magnetic field due to bar magnet, you take it simply. This is, you take B net. B net is the total field. So B is the magnetic field due to bar magnet. Now these two vectors are equal. I mean these two magnitudes are equal. Now B is, how do we write? This is an equatorial point. So 1 by 4 pi, sorry, mu naught by 4 pi equatorial angle, m by r cube is equal to 0.42 into 10 power minus 4. This convert into Tesla. Clear? Now substitute the values. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 4 pi. M already given 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 by r cube is equal to 0.42 into 10 power minus 4. 4 by 4 pi cancel, make it r cube subjective. So 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 by 0.42 into 10 power minus 7 by into 10 power minus 4. Clear? Now first clear the powers. This is minus 9, this is minus 4, goes up. Minus 9 minus 4, how much? Minus 9 minus 4, we will have minus 1. 5.25 into 10 power minus 5 by 0.42. This we can write 525 by 42 into 10 power minus 5 r cube. Clear? Understand? So make it, find the cubed root. This how do we find? To find a cubed root, cancel 10 power minus 5. You make it 10 power minus 6, then we will get cubed root. Okay? If you make it 10 power minus 6, what do you do? This I can write r cube into 5250 by 42 into 10 power minus 6. So then r is equal to cube root of 5250 by 42 into cube root of 10 power minus 6 is 10 power minus 2. Do this, you will get the answer r value. This is on normal bisector. Now next question on the axis. On the axis means this one. Here this, at this point B acting in this direction, BH acting downward. Again resultant will be at 45 degree. So if both magnets are equal, then here what we will get, same equation. Then B axial is equal to BH. B axial is equal to BH. So that what happens? Net resultant makes 45 degree with the horizontal, right? Or with the earth magnetic field. This is B net. Okay, now same. Mu naught by 4 pi 2m by r cube is equal to 0.42 into 10 power minus 4. So 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 2m by 4 pi r cube is equal to 0.42 into 10 power minus 4. 4 pi 4 pi cancel r cube. Same we will get extra term. What was there? What is there here? We will get 2 extra. Clear? Now make it this 10 power minus 7 into 2 into 0. M value 5.25 into 10 power minus 2 by 0.42 into 10 power minus 4. Same calculation. Clear? So find the cube root, we will get the answer. Clear? Next we will see completed.